Good morning. I'm Yasi Osoliva and welcome to KSES News TV. Today is April 9, 2024, Tuesday.
Go.
I'll be bringing you the latest updates on the weather conditions in Manila. The DepEd has issued advisories regarding the hot temperature and its impact on schools and students. Alexa, our weather reporter live in Casamindan Elementary School to give you the latest update. Thank you, Yasi. I am now in front of Casamindan Elementary School. As you can see, no students are allowed to enter because of the hot temperature we experience nowadays. Our students are engaged in asynchronous classes or distance learning. Back to you, Yasi. Alexa, in extreme hot temperature, it's essential to take precautions to stay safe and comfortable. Here is Dr. Avilos to give us recommendation to help us cope with the heat. In hot temperatures, it's crucial to take preventive measures to protect yourself from heat-related illnesses. Here are some key prevention tips for dealing with hot temperatures. 1. Stay hydrated. 2. Avoid direct sun exposure. 3. Wear appropriate clothing. 4. Use sunscreen. 5. Stay cool by taking cool showers, using fans or air conditioning. 6. Limit outdoor activities. Remember, it's always important to listen to your body and seek medical attention if you're feeling unwell due to the heat. By following these recommendations, you can better cope with the hot temperatures. Alexa, our weather anchor, to give us updates. The weather forecast for Manila is experiencing overcast skies with a temperature of 33 degrees Celsius. The humidity level is about 40 degrees. The wind is coming from the southwest at a gentle speed of 4 kilometers per hour. In Dagupan City, Pangasinan, which represents the temperature as felt by the human body, reached 51 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat index highlights the intense heat experience in this area. Thank you for watching KSES News TV. Again, this is Yasi Osoliva saying be safe and stay cool.
Audio Jungle.